Reference string means CPU is going to call, is going to request this page number 3, then page number 2, 1, 3, these are the page numbers. And if we have one process and these are the pages of the process, and we have main memory, and main memory is divided into 3 frames, and we are going to solve this numerical using LRU page replacement algorithm. So LRU means least recently used, that is least recently used. Okay. The funda behind this LRU page replacement algorithm is the pages that is going to replace, the pages which is going to replace that is least recently used, or you can say the page which has not been used for the longest amount of time, that page is going to replaced for a new page. Which page has to replaced to the swap out to the secondary memory, and the new page is swapping into the main memory. So the new page which is swapping into the main memory, then the pages which is in the main memory which is to be replaced is the least recently used, or you can say the page which has not been used for the longest amount of time. Fine. So see, now the memory is empty. Okay, we put page number 1, that is 3, to the frame number 1. Okay, so 3 is not there in the main memory, so there is a page fault, that is miss. Okay, 3 is not there, we put the 3 into the main memory. Next, 2 is not there in the main memory, now main memory is empty, so 3 is there and next 2 frame are empty, so we put 3 and 2 into the main memory, and it is also page fault or page miss. Okay, next 1 is not there in the main memory, so also there is miss, and 3, 2, 1. And next page is reference string number is 3. 3 is in the main memory, right? So there is a hit, there is no page fault because 3 is there. So we write 3, 2, 1. Now 4, next reference string is 4, and 4 is not there in the main memory. Now the question is, what will operating system do? Which page has to be replaced now? Which page is going to be swap out to the secondary memory, and 4 swapping into the main memory. So 4 is going to be swapping into the main memory, then among 3, 2, 1, which is going to be swap out to the secondary memory. So which is victim page. So now as the name suggests, least recently used. So we have to see that among 3, 2, 1, which page is least recently used, or which page 3 or 2 or 1, which number is not used for the long time or has not been used for the longest amount of time. See, we will replace this 4, right? So our 4 is to swap into the main memory, so we have to traverse this side, this leftmost side, traverse from this 4. 4 is to be swapping into the main memory, so we traverse from 4 to right to left and see which number is least recently used. See, among 3, 2, 1, 3 is recently used. 3 is recently used, and next 1 is used after 3, and 2 is leftmost corner. At the leftmost corner 2 is there. 2 is used, not been used for the longest amount of time. 2 was used in this frame only. Okay, so 2 is least recently used, and we have to replace this 2 to 4. So at the place of 2 we replace 4. So 3, 4 and 1. So there is a miss page fault because 4 is not there in the main memory, na? So there is a miss. Next is 1. Yes, 1 is there, so there is no page fault. So there is a hit. So 3, 4, 1. Next, 6. Which page has to be replaced? Okay, which page has to be swapped out to the secondary memory? So among 3, 4, 1. See, from we have to traverse, we have to search from right to left from 6 because 6 has to be swapping into the main memory. Fine. So from 6, which number among 3, 4, 1 is leftmost side or has not been used for the longest amount of time? So 1 is recently used and 4 is also used after 1 and 3 is least recently used. Okay, recently used is 1, 4 and next least recently used is 3. So we replaced this 3 to 6, 4, 1. There is a miss. And next 2 is not there. So now there is a page fault, miss. So among 6, 4 and 1, which is least recently used? See, we have to replace this 2 to this numbers. So from 2, 6 is recently used, 1 is used after 6 and 4 is least recently used. We have to put this 2 to 4, fine, and 6, 1. Next, 4 is not there, so again page fault. Okay, so from this right to left, just see which number is leftmost corner. 6, this 2, 6, 1. So 1 is replaced to 4, 6 to 4. Next 3, also page fault, miss, and we have to check. See, 4 is here, 2 is here and 6 is here. So 6 is least recently used. We put 3 to the place of 6. Now 6 is swap out to the secondary memory, 3 is put into the main memory and next to 4. Okay, 4 is here in the main memory. So there is no page fault, there is a hit. Okay, 3, 2, 4. Next, 2 is there 2 in the main memory? Yes, 2 is there. So there is no page fault, there is a hit. So 3, 2, 4. Next 1. Now the question is which page has to be replaced? Okay, from 1, 2 is recently used. Next 4 and next 3. So 3 is replaced by 1, 2, 4. Okay, here is a miss. So 4 is there, so there is a hit. Now at the place of this 1, 2, 4, no pages to be replaced because there is no page fault. So 1, 2, 4. Now 5 is not there in the main memory, so there is miss. Fine. So from 5, 4 is recently used and 1 is recently used. 2 is least recently used. It is left. It resides in leftmost corner from the right to left. So 2 at the time of, at the place of 2 we replace 5 and 1, 4. Next 2 is not there in the main memory, so there is a miss. So 5, 4 and 1. So we replace 2 at the place of 1, 5, 4. See, among 2, 5, 4, which is recently used from 1. Okay, 1 is to be replaced. So 2, 5, 4 is least recently used. So at the place of 4 we put 1, 2, 5. Okay, 3 is not there, again page fault. So among 2, 5, 4 here from 3 is to be used and 1 is recently used and 2 and then 5. So 5 is least recently used. So 2, 3, 1. Again 4 is not there, again there is a miss. So among 2, 3, 1, Here 2 is least recently used. At the place of 2 we put 4, next 3 and 1. So this is the procedure how to solve LRU page replacement algorithm. We replace the page which has not been used for the longest amount of time, or the page which was not used for long time. Fine. So that is called least recently used. Now among this algorithm we have to find out the page fault and the hit ratio. So count down the number of page fault. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So number of page fault is 14 and hit ratio, the hit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So the hit ratio is 5 by total number. So total number is 5 by 19. This is the hit ratio 5 by 19, or the number of page fault is 14, then the page fault ratio is 1 minus 5 by 19, or you can say 14 by 19. Number of page fault, that is 14 by total number of 14 by 19, or you can write 1 minus 5 by 19. So this is the LRU page replacement algorithm. Next we will solve this same numerical using optimal page replacement algorithm. So let's start optimal page replacement algorithm. So in the least recently used page replacement algorithm, or LRU page replacement algorithm, we replace the page which has not been used for the longest amount of time, that is least recently used. But in optimal replacement algorithm we solve this numerical on the basis of futuristic approach. That page is to be replaced which will not be used for the longest amount of time. So the page which will not be used for the longest amount of time. So this is the futuristic approach. Which page will not be used? Fine. So here this same algorithm I have taken in that FIFO and LRU. Just we solve optimal page replacement algorithm, the same numerical. Okay. Next the frame is empty, so there is a page fault at the initial. Next again there is a page fault, 3, 2, again 1 is not there, again page fault, 3, 2, 1. So 3 is there in the main memory, so there is a hit, 3, 2, 1. Now 4 is not there in the main memory, so there is a page fault. Now which page has to be replaced now? So in the LRU we just traverse from the right to left most corner, and in this optimal page replacement algorithm the page which will be swapped into the main memory, from that page we traverse to the left to right most corner. We traverse from right to left, and the page which is the rightmost corner, we put it into the main memory, okay, or replaced to the new page and swap out to the secondary memory. So see, in among 3, 2, 1, which will not be used for the longest amount of time, 1 is going to be used recently after 4. 4 have to be replaced. Among this 3, 2, 1, among 3, 2, 1, 1 is to be used in future, recently. Okay, recently future 1 is going to be used. Next 6. Okay, next 2. here 1 is recently used, 2 is recently future use after 1, and 3 is the longest amount of time, after many times 3 will be used after longest amount of time. So now 3 is replaced to the 4, 2, 1, fine, like this. Next 1 is there in the main memory, so there is a hit, 4, 2, 1. Now 6 is not there in the main memory, there is a miss, 4, 2, 1. So from 6 we check out the left rightmost corner. Okay, 4, 2 is going to be recently used, 4, next 1 is the rightmost corner. So at the place of 1 we put 6, 4, 2, and 2 is in the main memory. Yes, 2 is in the main memory, so there is a hit, 4, 2, 6, and again 4 is in the main memory, so there is a hit, 4, 2, 6. Okay, now 3 is to be replaced, 3 is to be swapping into the main memory, and among this number one number is swap out to the secondary memory. So which number? So from 3, 4 is here, 2 is here, and 6 is not there in the future approach. In the future, recently future, 6 will not be used in the future. So there is no 6 here. So obviously at the place of 6, 3 has to be replaced because 6 is not there in the future. Okay. Next 4 and 2. So obviously there is a miss. Now 4 is there in the main memory. Yes, there is a hit. 4, 2, 3. Again 2 is there in the main memory. Fine. So 4, 2, 3. Again 1 is not there. 4, 2, 3. So from 1, check out the rightmost. 4 is used, 2 is used, and 3 is rightmost corner. So at the place of 3, you have to put 1, 4, 2. Again 4 is there in the main memory. Yes, 4 is there. There is a hit. 4, 2, 1. Again 5 is not there. Fine. So 5 among from 5, see 2 is will be recently used in the future. Okay. So next is 1 and 4 is the rightmost corner. Okay. So in recently future 4 will not be used. So 4 at the place of 4, 5 is there, 2, 1. Okay. And 2 is there in the main memory. Okay, fine. 2 is there, there is a hit, 5, 2, 1. And again there is a hit because 1 is there in the main memory. We have not to be, there is no necessary to replace any pages. Now 3, yes, 3 is not there. 5, 2, 1. Which number will not be used in the recently future? From 3 we have to traverse, but there is no pages in recently future. So what will operating system do? Operating system simply solve or replace the pages using FIFO phase replacement algorithm if this situation arise. Okay. See, to replace the 3 among these 5, 2, 1, we just follow first in first out page replacement algorithm. See, 5, 2 and 1. So firstly 2 is used for the longest time. So as the basis of FIFO page replacement algorithm, we just put 3, we just replace 2 to the 3, 5, 1. Okay. So there is a miss, and 4 is not there in the main memory, 5, 3, 1. So again there is a page fault, and obviously among this number there is no pages in the future approach. Fine. So we just solve this algorithm using FIFO page replacement algorithm. So see, 5, 3 is just recently used, 3 has recently used, and 1. So at the place of 1 we just put 4, 5, 3. Fine. This is the algorithm of optimal page replacement algorithm, and just find out the page fault, number of page fault. Okay. And hit ratio. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the optimal page replacement algorithm, the best advantages is it assures you that there will be the number of page fault is least in the optimal page replacement algorithm. It assures you, it gives the best solving algorithm, because among LRU and FIFO page replacement algorithm, the optimal page replacement algorithm gives the minimal page fault, and if a system if a page fault arised in a system is least, then the system is good. So the number of page fault is less in the optimal page replacement algorithm. Fine, but disadvantage is we cannot, it is not implementable. Optimal page replacement algorithm is not implementable. Why so? Because we just solve this numerical on the basis of futuristic approach. So which is impossible, which is approximately almost impossible. Fine, we just implement, this is just a standard, this is just optimal page replacement algorithm, this is the benchmark or a standard to gives you the best result, the minimal page fault as compared to other algorithm. So this is the best approach, but this is not implementable because we use this algorithm on the basis of future, which is not impossible. Okay. So in the next video we will learn about Biledi anomaly. So see you in the next one. Thank you.